Welcome back to the channel. Today we have come up with the second part on top 50 high scoring MCQs on J&K Geography. Going to the questions directly. Question number 26. With reference to climate of Jammu and Kashmir, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Western disturbances are the main cause of winter precipitation. Statement 2. Southwest monsoon contributed significantly to rainfall in Kashmir Valley. Statement 3. Ladakh experiences extreme diurnal temperature variation. Which of the statement is given above are correct? Option A 1 and 3 only, option B 1 only, option C 2 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer for this will be option A, that is 1 and 3 only. That is, western disturbances are the main cause of winter precipitation, and Ladakh experiences extreme diurnal temperature variation. Next is question number 27. Which river system dominates the drainage of Jammu region? Option A is Indus, option B Jhelum, option C Chenab, and option D Ravi. And the correct answer will be option C, that is Chenab river system. Next is question number 28. The Chenab river originates from option A Baralachala, option B Verinag, option C Pangong Lake, or option D Siachen Glacier. And the correct answer will be option A. Next is question number 29. Which pass connected Ladakh with Himachal Pradesh? Option A Zojila Pass, option B Banihal Pass, option C Baralachala Pass, or option D Burzil Pass. And the correct answer will be option A, this Zojila Pass. Next is question number 30. The Karakoram Pass historically connected. Option A Kashmir with Punjab, option B Ladakh with Central Asia, option C Jammu with Tibet, or option D Kashmir with Afghanistan. And the correct answer will be option B Ladakh with Central Asia. Next is question number 31. Which consider the following statement is about glaciers. Statement 1 is Siachen Glacier lies in the Karakoram region range. Statement 2 is Kolahoi Glacier is often called the Ganga of Kashmir. Statement 3 is Drang Drung Glacier is located in the Pir Panjal range. Which of the statement is given above are correct? And the statement is which are correct is 1 and 2 only. That is, Siachen Glacier lies in the Karakoram range, and this is called as the Ganga of Kashmir, whereas this Rangdrung Glacier is not located in Pir Panjal range. So option A, that is 1 and 2 only, will be correct. Next is question number 32. Apple cultivation in Kashmir is mainly concentrated in option A Jammu Plains, option B Kareva Plains, option C Ladakh Valleys, option D river floodplains. And the correct answer will be option B. Next is question number 33. Flash floods in J&K are mainly caused by option A tsunamis, option B cloud bursts and glacial melt, option C cyclones, option D earthquakes. And the correct answer will be option B, that is cloud bursts and glacial melt. Next is question number 34. The seismic vulnerability of J&K is due to its location in option A stable shield zone, option B seismic zone second, option C seismic zone 5, option D volcanic belt. And the correct answer will be option C. J&K lies in seismic zone 5. Next is question number 35. Which river flows through the city of Srinagar? Option A Chenab, option B Ravi, option C Indus, and option D Jhelum. So the correct answer will be option D Jhelum. Next is question number 36. With reference to forests of Jammu and Kashmir, consider the following statement. 1. Deodar forests are found in the temperate zone. 2. Alpine pastures occur above the tree line. 3. Ladakh has dense coniferous forests. Which of the statement is given above are correct? Option A is 1 and 2, option B 2, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer for this will be option A 1 and 2 only. That is, deodar forests are found in the temperate zone. Alpine pastures occur above the tree line. Ladakh has dense coniferous forests. It is not true. Next is question number 37. Which region of J&K has the lowest population density? Option A is Jammu Plains, option B is Kashmir Valley, option C is Ladakh, option D is Pir Panjal region. And the correct answer will be option C, Ladakh. One thing we should note here that it may come in exam, but if we look at the J&K currently, which is Union Territory, this option will not be correct. So with reference to J&K only, then the correct answer will be option D, Pir Panjal region. Next is question number 38. Pastoral nomadism in J&K is mainly practiced by option A, Gujjars and Bakarwals, option B, Dogras, option C, Kashmiris, and option D, Baltis. And the correct answer will be option A, Gujjars and Bakarwalas. Next is question number 39. The Shivalik range is prominent in which part of J&K? Option A is northern Ladakh, option B is southern Jammu, option C is central Kashmir, option D is eastern Ladakh. And the correct answer will be option B, southern Jammu. Shivalik range is in southern Jammu. Next is question number 40. The major natural vegetation of Ladakh consists of option A, tropical forests, option B, grasslands and shrubs, option C, dense conifers, and option D, mangroves. The correct answer will be option B, grasslands and shrubs. Next is question number 41. Consider the following statement is regarding drainage. The statement 1, the Indus River flows westward across Ladakh. Statement 2, Jhelum drains into the Indus system. Statement 3, Chenab does not pass through the Jammu region. Which of the statement is given above are correct? And the correct answer will be option A. Indus River flows westward across Ladakh. And option this statement 2, Jhelum drains into the system. We should see here clearly it says that Chenab does not pass through Jammu region. Actually, it passes through the Jammu region. So this statement is wrong. Next is question number 42. The main constraint on agriculture in Ladakh is option A, excess rainfall, option B, fertile soils, option C, short growing season, option D, pest infestation. And the correct answer will be option C, short growing season. Next is question number 43. The Indus River system is crucial to Ladakh mainly for option A, navigation, option B, hydropower only, option C, irrigation and settlement, or option D, fisheries. And the correct answer will be option C, that is irrigation and settlement. Next is question number 44. Which national park lies entirely in Ladakh? Option A, Dachigam, option B, Kishtwar, option C, Hemis, or option D, Salim Ali. And the correct answer will be option C, Hemis. Next is question number 45. The phenomena of avalanches in J&K is most common in option A, Jammu Plains, option B, Pir Panjal and higher Himalayas, option C, river valleys, or option D, Kareva Plateau. And the correct answer will be option B, Pir Panjal and higher Himalayas. Next is question number 46. Which the reference to soils in Jammu and Kashmir? First statement is alluvial soils dominate the Kashmir Valley floor. Statement 2. Mountain soils are shallow and poorly developed. Statement 3. Laterite soils are widespread in Jammu region. Which of the statement is given above are correct? And the correct answer for this is option A. 1 and 2 only. Alluvial soils dominate the Kashmir Valley floor is true. Mountain soils are shallow and poorly developed. It is also true. But laterite soils are not found in Jammu region. So option C will be wrong. Next is question number 47. Which climatic feature distinguishes Kashmir Valley from Jammu? Option A. Higher summer temperature. Option B. Influence of western disturbances. Option C. Absence of snowfall. Option D. Tropical rainfall. And the correct answer for this will be option B. Influence of western disturbances. Next is question number 48. The main source of irrigation in Kashmir Valley is option A. Tubewells. Option B. Canals from Indus. Option C. Rivers and snowmelt. Or option D. Rainfall. And the correct answer will be option C. Snow-fed rivers, that is rivers and snowmelt. Next is question number 49. The Ladakh range lies between option A. Karakoram and Zanskar. Option B. Pir Panjal and Shivalik. Option C. Indus and Jhelum. Option D. Chenab and Ravi. And the correct answer for this will be option A. Karakoram and Zanskar range. Next is question number 50. Geography has influenced J&K's history mainly by option A. Encouraging isolation only. B. Preventing trade. Option C. Controlling routes, invasions and culture. Or option D. Eliminating agriculture. And the correct answer will be option C. That is controlling routes, invasions and culture. That is, it is the strategic geographical part of Jammu and Kashmir. This is all from my side on this video on top 50 MCQs on J&K Geography. We'll continue with other videos on different aspects of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you very much.